Pioneership, evolution, quality, trust. For over 60 years contributing to the rational use of the forest resources. The quality from Omeco, pioneer company in the production of equipment for plywood, you see now in this brochure of products. Veneer dryers. Omeco dryers are designed for drying veneers, providing a high thermal yield to the set, guaranteeing a uniform drying with low energy consumption. The solid construction of the whole structure, the high quality of the electric, electronic, and mechanical components assure long working life and reduced maintenance. Depending on the cubic meters to be dried per hour, the quantity of drying sections may vary from 2 to 32. The number of feeding decks is also variable, from 4 to 6 decks, with widths of 4.80 meters and 5.80 meters. Omeco dryers may be equipped with an automatic loader composed of a cross-feed loader, a lift table, and an automatic loader that distributes the veneers to the respective decks. The outfeed may have a simple unloader or a transfer conveyor and a sorting line. Presses. Pressing lines may be built with downstroke cold presses, multi-opening presses with mechanical elevator, or complete presses with automatic loader-unloader with up to 50 heating plates, made of reinforced and machined one-piece structures. The hydraulic cylinders are dimensioned with hole rigidity. These items guarantee a great stability to the set. The automatic loading and unloading systems for the multi-opening presses are developed with the highest Omeco technology to provide productivity gain due to the time's optimization in each stage of the process. The loader is loaded while the press is shut, processing the cure of the veneer. As the cure cycle is completed, the press opens. The loader moves forward and simultaneously removes the material from the press by pushing it to the unloader. The loader comes back to the starting point, the press closes, and starts over a new cycle for the process. The space necessary for the equipment is reduced, which allows a compact and functional layout. Spindle-less veneer lathe. Spindle-less veneer lathes are appropriate for relaminating log cores that are rejected by lamination made in the conventional lathes. As the driving is made by the log peripheral, it can laminate until the core diameter reaches 50 millimeters or less. When working with a laminating lathe with chucks to remove the bark and to make the initial log rounding, this lathe can also be used for the production of veneers from less compact logs of smaller diameter, such as poplar, bracatinga, eucalyptus, and pinus, among others. It is possible to build a core peeling line by adding up a set of conveyors, a rotating guillotine, and a stacker. The veneer produced in this type of lathe has flat surface and uniform thickness. Veneer composers. The automatic veneer composers are indicated for core jointing with thicknesses of 1.2 to 4 millimeters. They are equipped with thickness detectors, a clipper for cutting defects and squaring, a clipper for cutting the jointed veneers, and an automatic stacker. The veneers are jointed with dozens of glue points that are even reinforced with nylon strings. Composers are available in the widths 1,350, 1,950, and 2,700 millimeters. Squaring saws. Squaring saws are a high production equipment indicated for squaring the plywood veneers. Formed by an L-shaped set, it has two stations, one for the lengthwise cut and another for the cross cut. With cutting speed of up to 90 meters per minute, the Omeco squaring saws enable high volume of hourly production. Omeco, over 60 years contributing to the rational use of forest resources.